said office Maiduguri.
I will make sure that all children are safe from child abuse, and also all children must attend school, particularly children with disability.
And also tackle the insecurity currently happening in the country about the abduction of 25 girls in Kebbi State.
Mabel, I'm from Media and Communication Department.
Director Child Protection, Director Social Welfare.
Said the establishment of Child Rights Implementation Committee along the 27 local government areas. And to monitor child rights protection.
The reason why we have children taking over offices for this day is to prepare them, give them a vision so that they know they matter and their dreams will come true. We know children, if they are not, for example, prevented from disease, they will die. If you're not getting food, they will become malnourished and they will sick and they will not do well in school. You know, if children are not given the protection they need, we will lose them. So our future will be bleak. So the future of a state lies on the generation we are building today.
This morning,